Welcome to 12 Shannons Way in Freeport, Maine. This house is tucked off of a private way from Granite Street, very close to the Freeport and Yarmouth line. So you can get easy access into downtown Yarmouth, Route 1, or Protsbrook for a nature preserve. What I love about this home is that when my clients bought it, they asked me to find them a Maine Oasis. This house offers privacy, some quirky and fun elements, plus there are goats next door. When you step inside, you'll find a large mudroom, kitchen with an open dining room space, 2 additional living areas currently set up as a den and office. Go upstairs to find the primary bedroom, ensuite, 2 additional bedrooms, flex space, bonus area, and studio.